BuzÇağ's cold and freezing rooms for meat factories and warehouses. Didn't you know that 30% of meat is wasted due to improper storage? Don't let your products go to waste. With our advanced cold and freezing rooms, you will, God willing, ensure 1. Safe storage at precise temperatures from minus to plus Celsius degrees. 2. High-quality insulating panels, polyurethane, that prevent cold leakage. 3. Custom-fit, airtight doors to prevent cold loss. 4. All the smart refrigeration units you need that save you money and energy. Why us? First, because we build cold rooms like frozen castles. Second, rugged designs that withstand the harshest conditions. Third, huge savings on your electricity bill. Don't wait until your profits melt away. Contact us now and get a cold room designed to keep your products fresh forever.